community free for everybody to join, and basically the goal of this community is specifically focusing on how do you acquire the clients, SaaS clients for the Go High Level. And what we are specifically focusing is the mastermind calls that will be conducted. As you can see, this is one of the column here, the next schedule for the mastermind call, as like few people are going to join. So the next schedule for the mastermind calls is going to be posted, and it is for everybody to join. Basically it is by the name Go High Level Client Magnet, and you don't need to sign up using my affiliate link to join. So please join in bulk. Now, what is the advantage of this? Right now I'm not posting. I do have the courses and all, but I'm not posting the courses because you don't need another course. As of now, we have so many courses out there for the official Go High Level, the Go High Level University, left, right, and center. We need the live interaction. So what I'm going to be, how it is going to be in the future, that it is going to be a weekly mastermind where all the Go High Level users who will join the community, they are going to attend a live Zoom call together. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I'll try to personally contact the people who have attained the clients lately, and they are going to share their strategy, what exactly they did that they got the client. And apart from that, everybody else will be open to speak out their mind. Okay, I tried this, it didn't work. I tried this, it worked. Like I'm on this word. So it is like a group brainstorming. And over the period of time, as the community grows, I'm going to call upon, the special Go High Level people who have got, 1,000 clients, and even more number of, like somebody who was just at the 100 client level. And even from the official groups, I'll try to get the people as the community group. But as of now, like, just imagine, backstory, just to tell you, like, I used to be attending one of the affiliate programs I was part of, and I wanted to progress in that. So the only thing that I did is attend this weekly group call onto the Zoom. What that does to you is, first of all, it makes you stay in touch with that, with everybody having the similar mind, similar goal, talking the same thing. This becomes the most important thing occupied on your mind, and automatically I used to commit my time to it and absorb the minds of the other people. And apart from that, you don't want to be a loser in the group, right? So any group that you'll be attending in the mastermind call, this is the natural tendency of the humans. We want to become the hero of that group, so that requires us to actually become that SaaSpreneur. This is going to add another level of motivation for you, that over the period of time you would want to be, okay, I want to be on that call presenting how I got the clients, how I got the success. So you are putting yourself deliberately in a situation which is going to force you to succeed, becoming the next SaaSpreneur. So how do you join the community, guys? Just type in the browser abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and this is my page. And over here I have left, like, if you scroll it down, I have left the link. These are the bonus for the sign up and stuff, but you don't need to sign up. It's free to join our Go High Level community here. You just click here and you will be taken to that respective community page, and just click on join group, and just join it right now. Like, you join it right now, and as the number of people just grows, I'm arranging for more better things. How can I make the call really successful for everybody to join? It is definitely going to be super amazing, guys. Let's join together. And as I'll tell again, the name of the group would be Go High Level Client Magnet. And by the way, just to tell you guys, like, if you watch on my YouTube channel, I've been using the Go High Level, passionate about Go High Level from the past 2020. That means 5 years back, when there was just a few people. I have won a Fillionaire Award from the Go High Level. I've done interview of the spokesperson Chase Buckner. I've done interview and like strategic discussion with the co-founder and the CEO Sean Clark, the main face of the Go High Level. Another co-founder Varun Varavan. It's all on my YouTube channel. Just to tell you about. Amazing. These people are super amazing. They've built one of the best products out there. Everybody knows about it in the world. But here, let's proceed and be creative about how can we acquire the client. Imagine over the period of let's say few weeks of calls, you might know tens of new method of acquiring the client, which has actually worked in the market. The people who have acquired the client, who have got the client wins, when they are going to reveal this, imagine, like, this is going to be super amazing. Come out here, post about yourself, like post what exactly, which stage are you at, what would you like to achieve with the Go High Level. That would be super amazing, super crazy, guys. I really looking forward for you to join abdullahzahid.com/snapshots and join community. It's 100% free. There's nothing you need to do. Wish you guys all the best, and I would like to see each one of you guys here. See you.